So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SnapAP mobile app. The mobile app's available for Android and iOS right now. So we'll tap on the SnapAP icon, and we'll log in with the client code, your access number, and password. Once you log in, the first page is the My SnapAP page, which shows you items that you need to action. So right now I have 2 invoice approvals and 2 receipt approvals. To approve an invoice, just tap the top one here, and you'll get a view of the invoice and all of its information. And down at the bottom with these 3 dots is the menu. And from here you can approve, put on hold, send for revision, reject. You can download a PDF onto your device. You can view and add notes, view and add files, and view the audit trail. Just click on the audit trail as an example. It's just a pop-up. Also, approving a receipt is identical. You click on the receipt, and it'll show you all the receipt details. And click on the 3 buttons, and from here I can approve, add or view notes and files, view the audit trail, and then I can reverse the receipt. The other option would be purchase orders, requisitions, expense reports, if there were any to action in here. And they're done the exact same way. Just tap on the document and use the menu and the menu options. The next module is the expenses, and you can employees can enter expense reports directly from the app. When you land on the expense page, it's just going to show you the expense reports that you have access to, just like they do in the main web portal. So right now I'm just going to click on the plus sign to add a new expense, and I'm going to choose my cost account and the reason for the expense. Just put test, click on next. Now I have up top, I have my header with the information I just entered in. I have no attachments and no lines yet. So now we'll use the menu button with the 3 dots. And this is where we can start adding detail to our expense. You can use OCR to take a picture. You can use OCR to select a picture that's already on your device, or use OCR to select a file that's already on your device. What the OCR will do will read the information off of the picture and turn it into expense detail. The other option is to add a detail manually, just by typing everything in manually, and you can also attach a file. So what we'll do is we'll take a picture of a receipt. Just hover over top of the receipt, snap the picture, and click OK. Right now it's sending that picture to Azure in the cloud, and it's going to process it, try to pull the data off of the receipt. So you can see here it's Best Buy, the currency is Canadian, the total is $539, which isn't actually right. It's supposed to be $85.09. Sometimes the OCR doesn't properly grab the right amount, just depending on how faded it is or how good the quality of the picture is. I'll use this, let's say it's meals and entertainment, and I'll also pick the account. These will auto-populate in the next release, so they don't have to be touched every time. And once you're happy with the receipt, just click on the check mark, and there you have your expense line. You can use the menu here, and you can add as many other lines as you want using the options, or you can submit it with the green button at the top. Once your expense is submitted, it will be here in the list. And to view an expense, just simply tap it, and all the expense information will show up. We also have settings here. These are just settings for push notifications. When you have something that needs your approval, you'll get a push notification, and you can toggle these on and off to not receive or to receive push notifications. In our menu at the top, we have just links to the main menu items at the bottom there, but we have an invoices option. And here you can view, search for invoices. So here by default, it loads with the invoices that you're allowed to see, just like the main website. To view one, just tap it. You can view its details. And obviously from here we can't approve it, but we do have options for downloading the PDF, adding notes, files, that kind of thing. And we can also search for invoices just by clicking this search button at the bottom, and there's the same search options as there are on the main page, on the main web portal. And that's pretty much it. Future development will have purchase orders, requisitions, receipts in there, and they'll be searchable. And one other thing on the main My SnapAP here, if you have hundreds of things that need approval, you can use the filter icon down at the bottom, and you can filter by the category of approval that's there. And thank you. That's it.